Sunlight on my dash, heart full of dreams. Cruising through the city with a vibe so clean. Every note I play, yeah, it's pure and true. Tryna feed your spirit like the old heads do. The needle gets the record, the truth start to spin. Feeling that love deep under your skin. Ain't no lies in this groove, no disguise in this tone. When I sing to you, baby, you ain't riding alone. Come and ride with us on this sound machine. Ooh, yeah. Come and ride with us if you're down to lean back, let your soul be sweet. We gon' groove through the night to that timeless scene. Ride with us on the sound machine. Hey. Now don't you worry about them troubles today. Music gon' wash all that pain away. Let the horns blow sweet, let the drums stay tight. We gon' lift your heart till it feel just right. See, I'm your brother in rhythm, your preacher in tone. Singing stories from the block to the throne. This soul don't age, it just gets more fine. Like a vintage groove aged in rhythm in time. Ride with us. Just a human scene. One world, one groove. Ride with us on the sound machine. Ooh, let it take you high, like the wind through the city sky. Close your eyes, feel that peace inside. We ride in love, baby, not just try. Ride on the sound machine. I'll let your soul be free. Ooh. Every note is a prayer, every line's a hand, reaching out to heal this land. From the corners of Chi-Town to New Orleans, we still sing for love, still chasing dreams. Come and ride with us on the sound machine. Come and ride with us on the sound with us. Ain't nothing like a soul that still believes in feeling. We just riding on truth, baby. You can always ride with me.